7 days ago, I set a 10-minute timer. What followed rewired my mornings, killed snooze, quieted panic, rebuilt a self I finally trust. Stay with me. 5 tiny habits, 1 irreversible switch. This is not motivation, it's mechanics. 5 habits, 10 minutes each or less, 1 week. If you commit, you won't need bigger goals. You'll need a calendar to track wins, and a mirror to meet the person you promised to become. Somewhere between the first breath and the first notification, your life takes a direction. Today, you choose the direction. Habit 1, the silent hour. When you wake, life is still editable. Guard that window. For 10 minutes, no phone, no noise. Sit tall. Breathe in 4. Hold 4. Out 4. Write 3 lines. Who am I today? What one thing matters this morning? If I'm blocked, what is my tiniest first step? This ritual pulls you from reaction into command. It lowers the static in your head. It sets the rail your day will run on. Add 1 strategy line. Here is the value I will create today and for whom. Make it sensory. Describe the light. Describe the room. Describe 1 person you will help. If you need a spark, write a 1-sentence vision. 6 months from now, I am the person who ships value every morning. Measure it. Calm score 0 to 10. 2 lines of gratitude, 1 line of intention. Tiny, not theatrical. Private, not performative. Powerful, because it's yours. And if your mind wanders, smile. Gently return it to the page. Even the returning is a rep. Even the returning is discipline. Habit 2. 1. Promise a day. Confidence isn't a speech. It's a receipt. Make 1 promise under 5 minutes. Keep it before touching your phone. Drink 300 milliliters of water. Open the window. Make the bed. Write 1 sentence. Do 10 squats. Mark a bold check on today's square. Each check tells your brain, I am reliable. Reliable people don't wait for motivation. They show up because it's who they are. Give your promise a time and a place. 6:40 a.m. Kitchen counter, tall glass of water. Clarity removes negotiation. Create a habit escrow. Each check, drop a small amount of cash into a jar. On Sunday, redeem it only for books, courses, or tools. Discipline funds the next upgrade. Add a human anchor. Message 1 friend your promise at sunrise. Send a photo of the check mark. Quiet accountability. Pure momentum. When you miss, don't label yourself. Label the system. Fix the friction. Return tomorrow. A small win repeated becomes self-respect. Self-respect becomes consistency. Consistency becomes results. This is how tiny turns into unstoppable. Habit 3. Do it now. Under 5 minutes. Open loops drain your working memory. Close them fast. If something takes under 5 minutes, do it now. Rinse the cup, file the paper, send the 1-line reply, set the reminder. Your goal isn't perfection. Your goal is bandwidth. Every closed loop is a door you no longer bump into. Every small finish makes the big start easier. If a task exceeds 5 minutes, use the rule of 2. Split it into 2 tiny steps under 5 minutes. Do step 1 now. Open the document. Name the file. Write the first line. Action invites motivation, not the other way around. Run a 150-second sprint. Clear whatever is in front of you. Stop. Feel your mind unlock. Stack a reward. Brew coffee after the sprint. Let the aroma mark the moment. Teach your brain that action earns pleasure. Track it. Loops closed today. 5, 8, 10. Watch the number climb. Watch your stress drop. If you backslide, restart with a single loop. 1 paper filed, 1 dish washed, 1 message sent. Momentum is a math you can always restart. Habit 4. Phone-free first hour. Your attention is oxygen. Guard it for the first hour. Park your phone in another room the night before. Face down. Do not disturb. Out of reach. Morning sequence. Water. Light. 10 minutes of deep work. Write 200 words, outline a scene, fix one paragraph, draft one outreach email. This is your high ROI hour. It produces assets, not anxiety. Afraid to miss something urgent? Set a 2-contact whitelist. Everything else can wait. Create a phone parking spot, a tray, a dock, a place your hands must choose to reach. If you pick it up, say your purpose out loud. If you don't have one, put it back. Silence the pings that train you to flinch. Turn up the signals that train you to lead. Finish with a tiny reward, 10 minutes of sunlight, a slow walk to breathe morning air, or your favorite track at low volume. Reward wires the habit the right way. Calm first, then content, then the world. And if you slip and scroll, stop kindly. Close the app. Return to water, light, 1 minute of deep work. Repair beats regret. Always. Habit 5. Identity language. Words are steering wheels. Replace I want to with I am, and I choose to. I am someone who ships daily. I choose to do the important thing first. I am the kind of person who keeps promises to myself. Say the sentence. Take the smallest action that makes it true. A single click, a single line, a single rep. Repeat until the brain stops arguing and starts cooperating. Tape an identity script above your desk. I am. I choose. I do. Read it in the morning. Read it at night. Track one moment you lived it. Guard your words like you guard your time. Language programs attention. Attention programs action. Action programs identity. If doubt whispers, answer softly. I am learning. I am returning. I am keeping one small promise now. 2 power-ups. Optional but potent money 10. Learn a leverage skill for 10 minutes. Titles, thumbnails, email copy, offer design, basic analytics. Then apply it for 10 minutes. Write 5 titles, tweak 1 thumbnail, send 1 outreach. Improve 1 headline on your store or page. Knowledge becomes an asset. Every morning, 2 tiny blocks. Compounding returns. Environment design. Make the right behavior the easy one. Water, notebook, lamp arranged the night before. Shoes by the door. A clean surface for deep work. A small, consistent reward after the phone-free hour. Add friction for distractions. Phone in another room. Notifications off. Social apps hidden from the home screen. When the room is set, willpower gets a day off. Systems carry you when moods can't. And remember the evening. Lay out tomorrow's tools tonight. Decide the single morning priority before you sleep. Future, you will say, thank you. Your 7-day playbook day 1. Silent hour 10 minutes. First 1 promise. Calm score logged. Day 2. Add the under 5-minute rule. Close at least 5 loops. Coffee as reward after the sprint. Day 3. Phone-free first hour. 10 minutes deep work. Create 1 tiny asset. Day 4. Write your identity script. Add 1 if-then plan. If I reach for my phone early, then I drink water and write 1 line. Day 5. Start money 10. Learn 10. Apply 10. Ship 1 micro improvement. Day 6. Optimize the environment. Startup station. Reward station. Friction for distractions. Day 7. Review. Calm score trend. Streak checks. Deep work minutes. Loops closed. 1 lesson for the next week, and repeat the loop. Not perfectly, faithfully. You don't need a new life. You need a new morning. The person you trust most is the one who keeps promises to you. Become that person. 10 minutes at a time. There was no miracle in 7 days, only repeated tiny decisions. Each morning you choose a silent hour. Keep 1 small promise. Close what's open. Protect your first hour. Speak like the person you are becoming. You send your brain the clearest message possible. I am someone who does what I say. From that message comes calm. From calm comes focus. From focus comes output. From consistent output come the doors you've been waiting to open. Don't wait for motivation. Change your morning. Your life will catch up. If this helped, subscribe and turn on the bell. Your support builds this channel and fuels the next deep, practical episode. Choose one habit. Start tomorrow. Tell me your day 7 result in the comments.